Save Current Track is a quick and easy tool for track management. Your track, of course, is the electronic breadcrumb trail that your boat creates as it navigates. Save your current track to preserve critical navigation information, like a proven path through hazards, or the fastest way across the lake to your favorite hotspot. On the Chart Express menu, select Save Current Track using the up and down arrow keys, and activate the feature using the right arrow key. The track is then written to one of the 50 available saved track positions on your Humminbird HELIX. Saved tracks are an important part of your fishing history. You worked hard to figure out the best way through those rocks and the best trolling path along those weeds. Preserve that hard-earned information with Save Current Track.